Hello, my friends. It's year 15, week number 751. And this week, we're surviving. Now, here's the thing. I know I was sick last week. And I thought that it was completely finished, and apparently not. Okay, so we were sick, I recovered, and now we are sick again. A few days ago, if we rewind here, I went to a LA Wildfire relief fundraiser event hosted by friend of the vlog, Meredith, who was having a housewarming party. So she turned her housewarming party into a fundraiser for the LA wildfires. Friend of the vlog, Meredith, she has moved recently into a new place. And she's having a housewarming thing, but instead she turned it into a fundraiser for the LA wildfires that have just happened last month. And so basically it's like from what I understand, she's gonna have a bake sale going on the inside of her apartment, and all of the money she's gonna donate to help support the cause. So come along as we venture over to Meredith's brand new apartment. We're doing Meredith is giving us a tour of the place right now. Tour of the place.
Kevin's done it.
Meredith, how long have you been here so far?
I've been here for a month.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, yeah. We don't have to go this way. I'm sorry. I saw a dark
what it looks like?
corner
Yeah,
and I was like,
oh wow.
And then our trash is out here, which is so nice.
Oh, whoa.
This feels like a very suburban hallway right here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, get in there.
Wow. All right, see y'all later.
Okay, yeah. Isn't this so fun? So come summertime, we're gonna be hanging out here.
Do you ever walk out there and just chill? Oh, that goes down to your roommates.
Now.
Yeah.
But yeah, all my little plants. I stooped these two this week. I think that'll go outside once the summer comes around. But I have graduated. This is it. Yeah, that's that.
This is Meredith's bedroom. As you can see, Meredith book collection. More book collection. I just told Meredith that I'm pretty sure the square footage of her bedroom is larger than the entirety of my apartment. One observation I've got to make that I really enjoy about this place, the abundance of lamps around here. There's just a lot of lamp action happening. We have one lamp right here, as you can see. And then, look at this. 1, 2, and 3.
Please eat, drink, enjoy. If you want to donate, I actually got some really great organizations from Sophie of places to donate, and I might even throw up a poll of where exactly we want to, or would love to talk to you as well, and we can figure that out. But no pressure, obviously, just enjoy. Yeah, I just thought it would be good to be able to enjoy time together while also, I think that's been something. Actually, can you click the fan? I have major ADHD and that's overstimulating. Yeah. So thank you all for being here. I'm so, all I want is for all my
couldn't have been like a better example.
This is the beginning of the year attempt.
Okay.
Oh god.
Yes.
Wait, what's happening?
You guys are menaces for recording this.
What's in here?
Meredith is about to attempt the worm.
I don't trust any of you.
Public situations are the kind of like I don't really want to be that kind of person.
It's just for yourself.
In private. I just do it publicly. Okay.
No more delaying.
No, but here we are. Okay.
Yes.
No more delaying.
Yes.
Wait, but this is the before.
Yeah.
Before.
Wait, we just put that chair back a little bit. Like,
you can't.
Okay.
Alright, I don't think she's gonna get very far.
Yes.
I feel like I'm flopping like a fish.
Flopping like a worm.
Exactly.
New Year's resolution.
Oh my god.
Next.
What are you guys doing with your life?
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Next resolution, bro.
Wait, that's a dolphin dive.
Wow, that was a throw. You guys just say. Everyone else is gonna do. Everyone else do.
Oh, the knee thing. Yeah.
Where you like?
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, no, you go all the way down.
Yeah, you have
And
to
then you
start
try
up.
to. Whoa, you're flexible. What the fuck?
Yeah.
No.
You have to go up without using your arms.
Well, like sit up?
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah. My favorite thing.
But can you guys do this?
Whoa.
Oh.
Wait, I don't know what you did.
Okay, wait, teach us.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Oh, you got. I think you got
Surprisingly hard.
I'm so confused.
Wait, what?
How are you twisting your fingers?
Yeah, what?
it.
Crazy, right?
Is this? Wait, what?
I don't
Hey,
understand.
you did, yo.
Is that it?
Right?
Wait, what?
Hold on.
You gotta take glasses
This would make us all look ridiculous.
You're okay.
Nice. Wow, I like that case.
Oh, thank you.
Is there like 5?
Oh my god, are you from the future?
All right, so we're still recovering. I think we'll be back to 100% tomorrow. That's what I'm feeling because I think today is my last day of recovery. It's been very uneventful because I've just been here in this apartment, in this bed specifically, for the past few days now. But it'll all be over soon, okay? We'll be back to 100% in next week's video. Thanks for watching. As always, use code kevinisomoto at checkout. Next week will be year 15, week number 752.